This lesson is to provide you with a demonstration to publish your videos on Facebook and YouTube, the two most popular platforms to publish videos. So first, Facebook. Once you have your videos on your computer, log into Facebook and go to your business page. If you do not have a business page, there's a link below to show you how to set one up. Once you're on your business page, click the post status box as if you're going to create a regular post. Then click this button that looks like a camera to add your photos and videos. A browser window should pop up and you will be able to navigate to your video file on your computer. Select the video file and click Open. A new window will pop up and your video will begin to upload. You will see the following. Status. This is where you can add a description of your video, include any tags or other pages involved by doing the @ and the other page. Or you can link to your website as a call to action. Next, you'll add a title to your video. After that, add metadata tags to help search engines find this video. Next, you can choose a thumbnail for the video. You can click side to side, which are random points of your video, or you can add your own custom thumbnail. Now you're done and you have two options. One, if you click the publish button, it'll publish right now. Two, if you click the arrow next to publish, you can select schedule post. When you click that, it'll give you the option to schedule the post for a future date. That's how you publish a video to Facebook. Next, we have YouTube. Once you have the video file on your computer, log into your YouTube account for your business. If you do not have a YouTube channel for your business, send me an email and I'll help you. It's a little trickier than Facebook. Once you're logged in, click the upward arrow at the top right corner. Then select the privacy setting you want for your video to have. Most of the time, it'll be public. From here, you can click the arrow and select the video from your computer. Then click Open. A new window will appear and your video will begin to upload. Here, you can add some basic info just like Facebook. First, the title of the video. Next, add a description of the video and any call to action links. After that, add your metadata tags. If your account has custom thumbnails enabled, you can add your own custom thumbnail. If it is not, then you'll have three options that it'll give you randomly from the video. There's a link below to show you how to enable your account for custom thumbnails. You will see privacy settings again if you want to change it. And if you have a playlist for specific content, you can add it to a playlist. For example, you could have a playlist for interviews and one for tip of the week videos. Once you're all set, simply click Done at the top right corner, and you have successfully published your videos to YouTube.